The sneeze reflex. Internal pressure overload. When the body tries to sneeze but escape is blocked, normally a deep inhale fills the lungs. The glottis closes, building pressure, before an explosive release expels the irritant at up to 100 miles per hour. But when escape is blocked, the pressure has nowhere to go. The force reroutes into critical systems. Sinuses expand, eardrums vibrate, and delicate capillaries stretch beyond their safe limits, risking micro-tears. Pressure spikes to dangerous levels. The risk of internal damage to the ears, sinuses, and blood vessels becomes extreme. The body becomes trapped in a repeating command loop. A simple reflex transformed into a dangerous event. Holding back a sneeze can have severe consequences. Let it out.